it's Benjamin, and today we went to ToyCon, and we just got back from ToyCon. So, we're going to show you guys the fakes we got.
Do you want me to show them first?
Yeah, you can. So, back with Kevin.
I got this awesome Rikishi
fig. I'll put a close up. Very sick fig. Came with the belt thing. Perfect.
I got a basic Christian.
Very sick fig.
I got Ryback.
Me
more. I got Mark.
That's
Henry.
a very sick. Mark Henry basic figure. Very nice figure. I really like it.
Now Benji found this for me. I basically kind of sell it from him. The Roman Reigns shield.
But I kind of needed that because the vest is take offable, and then I could Never mind.
Okay.
And
Wait.
Oh yeah, you got one more.
I got two more.
Oh.
The Ascension.
You didn't get any elites.
I also got
The Elite Pete Dunne. That's probably his best figure. And now hopping into my collection, I got like 2 bags. So we'll start off with the Lucy.
He borrowed my bag.
We'll start off with the I had to borrow. Okay, that's an elite. I hope you guys didn't see it. We'll start off with the Lucy. We got this Rob Van Dam basic. It is a basic, but it is very elite-like. Very elite-like. Sorry, I had to hang up the phone. It's a very elite-like figure. It's not like a basic. It's like an elite. Rob Van Dam. I love this figure. Really good fig. Now this is a pretty good figure too. Let me get it ready because I took the accessories off.
Oh no.
We got the Hollywood Hulk Hogan figure. This one's an elite. I'll take the shirt off for you guys to see. So you guys can see that.
Well, he has a tattoo on his back.
I did not know that. Tattoo.
I didn't know.
The elite fig. So this is a very nice figure. I really like this figure. So that's all I got. No, it's not. So
Not even close.
yeah, I got like 3 more figs. Oh, stop calling me
People keep calling my friend.
Matt
Hardy.
Hardy. This is a really nice figure. It's just like the AEW one. It comes with the drone and the screen thing.
And there's a blue thing that we don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a blue thing behind it. I can't wait to. Oh wait, we have to open these.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna.
I'm gonna show all the figs out first. Now, my favorite figures out of 2 of them. My favorite figures out of probably all of them. I'll start with my least favorite one of the AEW. Kenny Omega. Such a nice figure. I really love this figure. Like, I'm gonna play with this every single day of my life.
Oh,
and shout out to Stage Creator.
I got these out of the package, by the way.
Shout out to WSC Stage Creator.
Yeah, shout out.
Because I have the Young Bucks and I have the Shield. And I'm going to make Kenny Omega and the Young Bucks have the rivalry with the Shield. And I'm going to match with Shield. So, that was an amazing match, by the way, Stage Creator.
Also, we would like to.
I don't know how you do it.
Also, we would like to shout out to Brett Alive.
Oh, yeah, for telling us ToyCon was very good. We watched like 7 videos of his.
Benji was screaming, and
I was screaming. And I woke up all my family.
No, you didn't.
Anyways, the best figure that I got, it's an AEW. I forgot his name. What's it again? Darby. Oh, yeah. Darby Allin. I really know this guy. I just forgot his name. Okay, so now, this is my favorite figure I got. So let's unbox these. Dude, I'm going to open it nice. Never mind. I just can't wait to get this figure out of my box. I can't wait. Sorry, Darby Allin. Oh, by the way, signed by Darby Allin and signed by Kenny Omega.
I believe so.
I don't know if that's
at
fake.
this Pete Dunne with the NXT Cruiserweight title, I
Bro,
believe.
let me see this. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
comes with that nice.
This is a really nice figure. Yeah, that's a nice figure. All right.
Are you glad you got it, huh?
No.
It was actually the only elite I got, though.
Yeah.
I tried to find the Matt Riddle to have the blister weights, but
And RK Bro.
yeah. RK, bro. Okay, bro.
Oh my gosh, we have a bunch of time.
We'll clean it up.
We'll clean it up.
No, we promise.
Alright,
will.
look at this Darby. 7.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Take the jacket off.
Oh my gosh. It's so sick.
Then, since you don't have to take pictures of it, I'll take all of
Oh my gosh.
it. He's like
Oh,
this.
the skateboard.
Let me see this.
It has a little bit of paint mixtures, but it's alright.
No, that's on purpose.
Oh.
Wait, let's see if Peak Gun works on it. Peak Gun, we go on like,
Uh-oh. Oh, wait. You can actually do this on AEW figures, so I'm not worried.
I was like, what's up? Already? You broke your figure.
So I'm not worried about that. You can do that on AEW
Do you
figures.
want me to take the jacket?
Yeah, hold on.
This is so sick. Again, Toy-Con.
Toy-Con.
We will come
Alright.
back there.
Perfectness. See? Like it never happened.
Darby.
Alright.
Ow.
Take this off, because I don't know how to do it. So. Now, I'm going to hop into the Kenny Omega.
Hey, got it off.
Oh my gosh. What is this?
Oh, they come with
package around the arms. This.
It comes with every AEW, you know.
Oh my gosh. This is such a sick.
Let me see this.
Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It came. I love this figure. Well, now I don't need it for my birthday because it's in less than a month. And I told my mom to order it for me. But since we went to Toy-Con.
Let me see it.
But I'm still want the John Moxley for my birthday. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Please be careful. Now it's time for this Kenny Omega. I also need the jacket off this one. Sorry guys, I do not know how to take jackets off figures. I always break them whenever I try to. So.
I know how to take them.
Hey, I actually did it clean. Yay.
No, this.
Okay, shout out to Toy-Con for like hooking me up with this for my birthday. This is all birthday present for me. So, and also
Don't forget to
shout
open that Matt Hardy.
Oh my gosh, yeah. And also shout out to my mom for me going. If she wasn't, it's all because of her, literally.
And it's because.
Can you get this jacket off? I'm definitely gonna switch the hands also. Do you like that Darby?
I'm about to cry.
Why?
I'm not. Just because you got the Darby out.
Okay.
Jeez, this one's harder.
Yeah. Please don't break it.
Benny
I'm begging you. Alright, I'm gonna unbox the Matt Hardy. In this amazing deals, okay? Amazing deals. $10 for this Matt Hardy. Regular price for AW figures, but it's alright. It's alright. Darby Allin, 30. It's perfect. But the Kenny was 25, I think.
Ben, we can't get that plastic thing.
We'll cut it off. They come with this plastic thing. I don't know if you guys can see that.
And he comes with a. He's got a pink. Wait, what the heck?
What?
His hand came up.
Yeah, good thing it's interchangeable.
See if I can even grab.
I'm also gonna. Oh wait, no, you can do that.
Oh, that's easy.
And I'm gonna take this off because it's technically an accessory. And I'm gonna change the hands right now. Yeah, I love this. All right, Kevin, I'm sorry, but I have to like my collection more.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
That's a lie.
Nope, it's not.
You said it's a tie.
Yeah, but now that I have to take them out of the and I'll play with the figures. Ah, Maggie. No. Ow! I already lost the hand, Kevin. Okay, bro. It's not personal, but I said it was a tie at ToyCon. But now that I got to take them out of the box and stuff,
It's a tie still.
no, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes.
You haven't even played with the Kenny Omega. How do you know that? All right, 3. Be careful. I'm risking my life for you. I will die if those 2 figs break.
Kenny.
All right, there's a bunch of trash everywhere. You guys, I'll show you guys the chaos later. Just hold on. But amazing deals for these elites. Like seriously, that Robin Dam was $5.
This Pete Dunne was for 30.
Sadly, the Hulk. But I can't blame him. I'd sell it for like more than $30.
Hey, look. Look at Pete Dunne.
No, give me my skateboard. I love that skateboard.
Oh wait, Ben.
That's how.
Wait, Ben. You need to put.
Oh, okay. What is this?
It's a boat.
Oh, it's a boat. I think this is from
The Bray
like
Wyatt.
the Bray Wyatt. Yeah. Was it like a swamp match? I know Braun Strowman and Bray Wyatt had them.
Yeah, I think it was on
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. I love this fig. Oh my. It's so good.
I'm taking your drone out. Did you want me to?
Yeah, it's fine. Kevin, I'm going to go put all the trash away.
Wait, we got to show them the trash.
Okay.
Wait. I need you to take it.
I still got my shoes on and everything.
I took my shoes off.
Okay, get your stinky socks out of here.
All right, here's the drone.
That's such a... Oh my goodness gracious.
Bro, wait, why are the hands like this?
I'll change them. And why can't this come off? Just come off,
Ben,
stupid.
when you get a new you should get another Darby Allin to put a line on this. Put a line on this, and then get the Matt Riddle for the Matt Riddle scooter. Scooter, bro.
What? It has a mark on it.
What am I saying? Jeez, ToyCon.
Well, ToyCon, come on. Look at that on the side of the rib.
But those
It's
jeans,
all right, though.
Those jeans are really detailed.
It only has one mark, so
The jeans are pretty detailed.
ToyCon, we still love you, and we hope to come back. So,
Ouch.
It's been 12 minutes, and we only have 15.
I'm like this. And they're like, oh. All right. So we're going to wrap the video.
Yeah,
up.
so we won't. Okay, we'll show you the trash. Fine. Bye. Look at all the chaos. Literally everything.
Yep. All right.
That's what's up, guys? It's Benji out and
Kevin out. See you later.
and KB out.
Out. Bye-bye.
Bye. Wait, how do you do that thing? Out.